When adding digital resources to Oliver, the GMD and Bibtype fields are used. I'm just going to explain the difference between GMDs and Bibtypes. For this explanation, I'm going to assume that this is when you're manually adding records into Oliver. However, if you import digital resources from SCIS, the Bibtype and GMD fields are allocated automatically. We'll start with GMD. GMD is also known as General Material Designation. This is a field that's used by SCIS to describe material types. For example, books have the GMD of text, and DVDs have the GMD of video recording. Bibtypes are an Oliver cataloging template. These control which fields are displayed when you're adding, editing, or viewing the catalog records. Some examples. When you're cataloging a digital resource, I'm in the resources screen at the moment and I click add, you get a list of Bibtypes to choose from. You can see books there, digital resource, and a little further down there's website. So if you're manually adding a digital resource, you need to select the Bibtype from the list. So let's say we're cataloging a book. We choose a Bibtype of book. And this will determine which fields are displayed, such as title, author, subject, series, ISBN. If you're cataloging something like a chart, you'd also use a Bibtype of book because it has the same type of fields: title, author, subject, series, ISBN. However, when you're cataloging the book, you'd assign the GMD of text. When you're cataloging the chart, you'd use the GMD of chart. We'll see some examples of these in just a few minutes. When you're cataloging something like a website, you wouldn't need the ISBN field because websites don't have ISBNs. So the Bibtype of website doesn't include the ISBN field, so it saves you a little bit of time because it's a field you don't need to skip over. Bibtypes also determine if copies or barcodes need to be attached. Looking at some of the examples we have here, we've got some digital resources, some books and a website. And with Bibtypes, the setting for adding barcodes or copies can be set to always, never, or sometimes. For the Bibtype of books, this is set to always. So anytime you catalog a book, you need to attach a barcode. We just go into one of these books here. And we can see at the top of the screen there's an add copy link. So whenever you catalog a book, you need to attach a barcode, you need to attach a copy. If we look at our website, I'll just click on the website record here, we can see at the top of the screen there's no add copy link. That's because websites never need a barcode attached, so the add copy link is never used. This is controlled by the Bibtype. The Bibtype says add copies never needs to be displayed. For digital resources, the Bibtype has the add copy setting set to sometimes. Sometimes digital resources need a copy attached, sometimes they don't. An example we have here is a digital resource. If we click on that record, and this particular record has a copy attached, a barcode attached. That's because it's a CD-ROM. A CD-ROM is a physical item which needs a barcode attached. At the top of the screen, there's the add copy link. And we can also see the Bibtype is set to digital resource. Another type of digital resource is attaching PDF files. So if we click on this record here, we can see this particular record is a PDF file which has been catalogued. And it has the bibliographic type of digital resource, or Bibtype of digital resource. The add copy link is still there, but we don't need to use it because PDF files aren't a physical item, they're an electronic file, so we don't need to use the add copy link, but it's displayed anyway. Bibtypes and GMDs also determine which icons displayed when you display the record either in the catalogue maintenance area or in the search results. When displaying records, the GMD and Bibtype determine which icons displayed. For example, when we look at a book icon is displayed. So if we click on the book we have here. It has a bib type of book, and it has a GMD of text. So at the top of the screen, a picture of books displayed. We've also got another record here, which is a chart, which has a bib type of book. So the combination is bib type of book by the GMD of chart. If we click on this record, we can see a different icon is displayed. It's a chart icon there. Finally, if we look at a website, we can see a different icon is displayed again. If the GMD has an icon associated with it, then it's displayed. If there's no GMD icon, it displays the bib type icon instead. If there's no icon associated with the bib type, there'll be no icon displayed at all. Now, for this demonstration, I've just been showing you, first of all, that when you're manually adding digital resources, you can choose the bib type and GMD. However, if you obtain your digital resources from SCIS, the bib type and GMD values are assigned automatically.